Simple beef stew recipe na lalong sumasarap habang tumatagal, kaya huwag mong ubusin agad, plus at tipid oras tip. Let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simpol Dishkarte cookbook. Now available in Lazada, Shopee, National Bookstore, and fully booked. Very simple beef stew recipe. Ito, mahal na mahal ko itong recipe na to kasi sobrang sarap. Soy sauce, and instead of calamansi, gagamit tayo ng Old English Worcestershire sauce. Yan na, Worcestershire. Yan. Isipin mo, Worcestershire, di ba? Very important to marinate ahead of time. Huwag mong madaliin, no? Lalo na pag beef, because the marination not only adds flavor, pero it also helps in making your beef more tender and of course, ma-retain yung juiciness niya. Ang key here is to have a lot of sauce. No? Damihan natin yung salsa kasi salsa pa lang, ulam na. Half the time needed to cook your beef, saved by the pressure cooker. So kahit pressure cooker siya, pwede kang mag-use ng other cooking methods na instead na boiling lang. So, option 1, pwede mong gawin, pwede mong i-sear, no? Ano ibig sabihin sear ito? Ipa-fry mo siya, no? I-sear mo ng ganyan, no? Sear mo ng ganyan, no? Yan na. Brown all sides. Pagkatapos mo siya ma-brown all sides, tatabi mo siya, no? Ganyan. Tatabi mo siya. Option 1. Pero today, gagawin natin mas mabilis. Gisa, bawang, sibuyas, kamatis. Ito yung sinasabi nila, ang sekreto ay nasa gisa. Season natin ng konting asin, no? To bring out the flavor. And lalagay ko na rin yung aking carrots. Gisa-gisa talaga tayo para lumabas yung flavors. Now, we add our beef. Ang beef natin, gigisa din natin, sangkot siya natin. Without the juices, without the marinade, lalagay natin yung ating daon ng laurel. And we will add ang ating excess marinade plus chicken stock, beef stock, or water. So, itong gagawin natin, we will cook it for 30 minutes in a pressure cooker. Then later on, we will continue cooking conventionally. Natatanggalin na natin yung pot and we will finish the sauce. Discarded time, hybrid yung gawin natin sa ating cooking method. Magigisa pa rin tayo traditionally, but we speed up the tenderizing process using our trusted pressure cooker. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon ay bubuksan natin. It's safe to open now. Malambot siya. Kunti lang yung luto natin, no? Tender. We're not yet falling apart. Ang ating carrots, di ba? Very tender na yung ating carrots. What I will do now, gagawin na natin yung ating sauce. And now, I will add, this is such a delicious tomato sauce dahil gisado na siya. UFC tomato gisado. Mix natin. If you want to add liquid, you add liquid. A little bit more liquid. Now, season. I like it to be a little bit sweet. Sugar. Konti to balance lang, no? You can add more soy sauce or salt. Now, we will add black pepper. And to finish, you can add your green and red bell peppers. Pwedeng puro red lang, no? It's up to you. And I have here patatas, potatoes that I fried separately. Gusto ko lang kumain. Kayo, natatakam ba kayo? Ito siya, masarap pag medyo may konting fat talaga yung ating beef. Oh my God, ang bango. And ako, gusto ko nang tikman. Oh, ang lambot ng ating beef. And that's I love it. So, gawin mong simple or gawin mong bongga, it's up to you. But for today, ang linuto natin, simple beef stew, simple!